Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to transfer iPhone all contacts to iPhone to SIM card or to Gmail account to another iPhone. Today in this video I will teach you the best method to transfer iPhone contacts to SIM card to Gmail account to another account. Guys, please keep watching this video until then. Open App Store and install this application export contacts. I have already installed, so this is the best method and best application. And guys, this is the interface, and you can see appears on screen here. Simply tap on format here. Now tap on CSV, tap on it, and tap on continue. Wait for some seconds. uh, Now close this ad, and you can see your contacts has been backup on your iPhone. Simply tap on export from here and tap on save to file, and rename this file. As you know, here go my numbers. I am entering this email. Simply tap on save option. You can see appears on screen. Your contacts successfully saved on your iPhone. Now guys, simply open files here guys. You can see your numbers saved file successful. You can see appears on screen. Now close this window, and guys, open Safari browser and search website contacts.google.com. Here guys, first login your account. I have already logged in on this website. You can see appears on screen my Google account already login. And guys, simply tap on three dots here. Now simply tap on import option here. Now tap on select file here. This is my file, and simply tap on import option. Wait for some second. You can see my all numbers saved on my Gmail account. You can see appears on screen. This is my iPhone numbers transferred to my Gmail account. Here guys, now close this window and go to new iPhone which you want to transfer this iPhone numbers. You can see appears on screen. This is my new iPhone. Here guys, simply tap on setting, appears on screen, and scroll down. Here guys, wait for a few seconds, and simply tap on mail option and tap on accounts, tap on add account, tap on it, tap on Google. Wait for some seconds, and guys, enter Gmail account where you transferred previous iPhone contact numbers. Here you can see I am entering. Simply tap on next. Here guys, wait for some seconds, enter the Gmail password. You can see appears on screen. I am entering my password. After entering the password, wait for some second. You can see appears on screen. Simply tap on allow from here, and you can see this is the interface you will see. And make sure contact turn on from here, and simply tap on saved option top right corner. Here guys, now you can see, and simply close this window and open contact application, and you can see these are all my Gmail accounts number transfer successfully on my new iPhone. You can see appears on screen. Guys, you can transfer your contact number to SIM card to new iPhone to Gmail account from iPhone, from your old iPhone by this method. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.